Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you what I got in the mail from my friend JustMeTYC. She sent me a box full of snacks from Scotland, and I also sent her a box. So if you want to go to her channel, take a look. Link will be down below. She sent me a letter. Oh, you finding good stuff already, Aurora? Okay. Let's see. To Jamie. Hey girl, I hope you enjoy the box filled with treats. These are all my favorite foods and snacks. Also, a lot of them are my childhood food. My top 3, this was really hard to choose. Rainbow Drops, Chernox Caramel Wafers, and Jammy Dodger Biscuits. I hope you love them as much as I do. Thank you for doing this with me. Lots of love. JustMeTYC. All right, you want... Oh, look! Want some chips?
Ooh.
These are prawn cocktail. Walker's celebrating 70 years. And you guys want to do a Kinder Surprise egg? Because we don't have these really in America. We have something similar. You want to try to open it, bud?
Sure.
Because when we open ours, it's one side's filled. Don't do that on your head. Because now you got shit. Here, Rory. Want some candy?
These are awesome.
What's inside of it? I'm going to try the chocolate.
Okay, but you open this one.
Open this? I have no idea how to do this.
Ooh, this is good.
The little owl for your finger.
That's
I put
nice.
them together. Yeah, this is pretty neat what she sent.
And thank you. Whoever gave this to us, thank you.
Her name is JustMeTYC. So she sent some squashy. Oh God, Aurora, I feel like you're gonna fall. Can you sit on your butt, baby? Thank you. Some squashies.
I can't wait to find out.
She sent Rainbow Drops sugar-coated puffs. The prawns cocktail chips.
Which we already got.
Some gourmet sweets, sour watermelon.
I love them.
We haven't even tried them yet, bud. Thai sweet chili potato crisps. Some Galaxy smooth milk chocolate.
Yep.
Some Smarties. What is that you got?
Let's see what she gets.
What do you got? Let's see. Some Aero fluffy chocolate.
I think.
What's this one? What is that one?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Ooh, those are good.
Chernox caramel wafer biscuit.
I think those are good.
You have, oh, I'm sorry, Aurora. Oh, Rory found something. You want to try this? This is Chernox chocolate mallows. Here, Rory.
Can I have some?
It's good. It's good. Try it.
Fine.
It's good. It's real good. No, you don't like it? Well, I'm going to keep in there. I like it. No worry.
Ooh.
Some iced gems.
And this is blue red cookies you can make.
These are some Jammy Dodgers. Some all butter shortbread.
But she opened it and she put some of them in the bag.
That's fine. That's fine. Because sometimes packages are so big and she didn't want to send a big box like we did. When she sees our box, she's going to be quite surprised. We got a Fred Dew, If I say anything's wrong, I'm really sorry. We got a penguin from McVitie's. Another one. Oh, stop. We got a Kit Kat Chunky, a Kinder Bueno White, some salt and vinegar. I love salt and vinegar chips a lot. Looking forward to these. Alright, we got some Mega Long Gum, Cadbury Dairy Milk Marvelous Creations Jelly Popping Candy, some more Dairy Milk Multi-Pack Bar. I think this is just chocolate. Some Polo Mints, some Flake, wine gums, Time Out Wafer, got some Bounty, it looks like a coconut bar, got a Curly Whirly. Did you like that you just ate? She's liking it. We got some McVitie's Digestives Milk Choco Thins. Got some McVitie's Hobnob Milk Chocolates. And we got McVitie's Digestives Milk Chocolates also. Thank you so much, JustMeTYC. I'm not going to film me eating all this because this is a lot of candy all to handle at once. Want to say hi? Wave hi. Want to say hi?
Hi, everybody.
All right, thanks for watching the video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up.
Hi.
Don't forget to hit the bell. And as always, see you next time.